Hello people, welcome to our channel. Like, share and subscribe. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is one of the most popular types of marketing strategies. And it's also one of the most effective to build awareness and increase sales. And it's not hard to understand why when more than 2,800,000,000 people use social media platforms. That's approximately 37% of the world's population. This huge number includes people from all age groups. In fact, even children as young as 10 years old have started to use social media on a regular basis. In fact, all reputable digital marketing news sites support social media marketing. According to Where Social, SMM is almost guaranteed to improve your level of engagement and brand awareness. But the biggest reason for the widespread adoption of SMM is its ease of use and low barrier to entry. The value per dollar spent on SMM is also excellent. And social media isn't only limited to social networks like Facebook. There are also social media networks that cater to professionals. For instance, there's LinkedIn, which is the most popular one. LinkedIn is great for helping professionals to build long-term relationships. Thanks to the relaxed nature of social media. Social media also encompasses a wide array of places where people are social and interact with each other. Many of these places present opportunities for businesses too. So no matter who your target audience is, you'll be able to reach them and interact with them. But despite the fact that it's one of the best types of inbound marketing strategies, that doesn't mean it's always easy. But keep in mind that although there are some challenges that social media poses, these can all be overcome, especially with some help from the experts. Social media marketing challenges. Competitive. As we said, there are a lot of marketers on social media. According to an Adweek survey, more than 88% of companies in the US use it. So you will have to invest a lot of time to compete with them. This is an important thing to keep in mind for business to consumer companies. So you can work with social media experts and influencers if you want to save time. These people can help you cut through all the white noise or assist your viral marketing tactics. Time consuming. To many businesses, time is as precious as money. And you will have to spend a lot of time each week doing the following marketing techniques: engaging with clients, answering questions, posting high quality content on a regular schedule. Learning curve. Part of the learning process is making mistakes. Mistakes like allowing your message to get misconstrued. Your CPC cost per click for social media advertising gets out of control. Reading your audience wrong. You might find that the learning curve is too much for you to handle. This is another reason why working with a social media marketing agency can be beneficial. Social media marketing advantages. Now let's talk about the main advantages of social media marketing and why it's one of the best types of marketing strategies for small businesses. Ease of use. The easier the platform is to use for you and your audience, the better, as this will help in your relationship marketing. That's because if it's easy for them to use, then they're more likely to be spending a lot of time there. Low cost. Advertising on social media is done with a PPC model. According to Adespresso, the average PPC cost is only 28 cents. And you will only pay that when users take the desired action. Symbiotic relationship. SMM forms a symbiotic relationship with your other marketing efforts. You can combine it with other forms of content or brand marketing like photos, paid media, webinars, videos, your website links, etc. Best targeting. According to psychographic data, social media targeting is unmatched targeting. You can laser target demographic by any metric imaginable: personality, habits, interests, location, etc. This is beneficial for your direct marketing, especially if you have new products to promote. It's for these reasons that SMM is among the best form of marketing strategies for reaching your target audience and assisting them in their buyer's journey. You have complete control over who will see your ads, saving you time and money. Brand loyalty. According to DreamGlow, 71% of customers who had a positive experience with a company on social media are likely to recommend it to their friends and family. What does this number show? It shows that building brand identity and long-term relationships with customers and clients will definitely help you in the long run. It affects their buying behavior. So if you want to develop your public relations and customer retention, this is the way to go. Being on social media and showing everyone that you're human is what your brand's strategy is all about. Doing so can also increase your word of mouth marketing and will attribute to your business growth. Measure your success. It's getting easier and easier to track interactions on social media, tweets, downloads, likes, etc. And these are pretty effective metrics for measuring success. All you have to do is compare your most successful metrics to your profits, and then you can see which of your efforts produce the best results. Hit the subscribe button for more videos and don't forget to like and share.